Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. In today's video, we're thrilled to present part 2 of our 2024 Christmas themes, showcasing soft pinks, lilacs, and elegant French-inspired accents. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out for a look at our woodland and whimsical green-themed festive ideas. Before we begin, I'd like to remind you that our festive styling ebook is available for purchase through the link in the description box. It's filled with step-by-step guides, planning checklists, and inspiration from previous years to help inspire your own looks. Now let's get started. Look 1. The garden room. Our first look takes inspiration from the beautiful Indian summer cotton tablecloth with its botanical block print design in soft green and rose tones. The colour palette. The colours for this look are drawn directly from the tablecloth, starting with a base of celadon green, soft rose and blush pink, complemented by lavender and lilac. To balance these delicate hues, we've added rich browns with metallic accents of antique silver and gold for a touch of elegance. Decorative elements, the tablescape. As we mentioned in last week's video, we love to incorporate something loved, something living, and something with luster into our holiday displays. For something loved beyond the tablecloth, I added a scalloped rattan placemat, one of my personal favourites, paired with our faux bamboo cutlery and charming clip-on festive birds in a beautiful green hue. For luster, I brought in glazed ceramics with a lively leaf, vine and ornament pattern, alongside mercury glass candle holders, tinted glassware, metallic bonbons, crystal glass ice buckets, and gilded decorative crowns to add sparkle. And for something living, I incorporated preserved buxus, figs, and fresh festive sprigs, which I placed on the plates to bring a natural, seasonal touch to the table. The festive tree. The garden room theme is beautifully reflected in the festive tree, where we've blended a variety of ornaments to create a cohesive, charming look. We've included Scandi-style paper ornaments, clip-on birds, pastel baubles, fabric hearts with glitter accents, gold crowns, and a rose gold garland, among other special touches. Layering and lighting. As you can see, I've laid a mix of materials in various finishes, textures and colours to create visual interest throughout the space. For the lighting, I chose a mix of whimsical decorative French fixtures, paired with stone-style lamp bases, delicate paper tea light holders, and glass lamps filled with dried hydrangeas. Look 2. The pink Parisian bedroom. For our second look, I drew inspiration from our clay and pink water lily bedding to create a serene, feminine Parisian-style bedroom with just the right amount of subtle festive charm. The colour palette. The colour palette is built around soft blush pink, warm clay and off-white, creating a serene and soothing foundation. These gentle tones are complemented by the natural texture of linen, earthy beige, rich browns and striking black accents in the bedside tables. Decorative elements. The beautifully patterned bedding and luxurious linen serve as the loved element, paired with the floral canvas artworks to add a personal touch. For lustre, I introduced crystal accented table lamps, metallic picture frames, glittery wreaths and garlands, and tall glass vases. For something living, I added ruscas for a fresh, natural look, while the pine and pink hydrangea garland softens the space, enhancing the holiday whimsical feel. Layering and lighting. In addition to the bedding, I layered a mix of soft furnishings in varying textures. Think cozy throws, faux furs, tactile cushions and other elegant fabrics, complemented by rattan and richly grained timber for added warmth and character. To finish, soft diffused light from our hanging paper pendant, crystal accented table lamps, decorative wire light fixture, and hanging fabric lights create a gentle, inviting atmosphere. Look 3. French Faded Beauty. Our final look takes inspiration from the timeless elegance of French artistry and the charm of handcrafted treasures. Featured in our old Bancatelier store, this look celebrates the beauty of faded vintage pieces, rich textures, and artisanal details. The colour palette. The colour palette for this look is anchored in soft neutrals such as off-white, ivory and taupe, creating a serene and timeless foundation. These gentle tones are paired with subtle shades of grey, zinc and black, while warm metallic accents in antique silver, brass, gold and bronze add lustre. Decorative elements. For something loved, I incorporated handcrafted paper art, vintage books, antique portrait ornaments, beautiful oil paintings, a standing angel, and other unique pieces. For lustre, I chose ornaments in a striking blend of black and gold with an antiqued finish, along with delicate crystal and silver accents. Other lustrous elements include our brass bud vases, glass votives, decorative wire crowns and tea light holders, vintage glass baubles, and shimmering cake stands, all adding a touch of elegance and sparkle. For something living, I brought in soft pink roses, our festive tree, dried flowers, fresh green ruscus, and lush green wreaths which bring life, texture, and seasonal beauty to the space. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of our 2024 Christmas themes. Let me know in the comments below which of today's looks you enjoyed the most. I can't wait to share part 3 with you next week, where we'll dive into classic traditional Christmas inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.